I finally tried the famous signature pan-fried buns from Chung Hing Ki Shanghai Pan-Fried Buns. This food spot in Tsim Sha Tsui earned the Michelin Bib Gourmand Award in 2016, 2024, and 2025, and I must say, it's well deserved. I ordered the signature buns plus the shrimp buns combo, and I really loved it. Just be careful because the juice is piping hot. Make a small hole and sip the soup. Aromatic and comforting. Then enjoy the meat inside. What made this extra special is the bun. Soft and chewy on top and crunchy underneath. Different textures bursting with rich flavors from the soup, meat, and the bun itself. And for the added kick, don't forget to put their special vinegar. There are more flavors to choose from that you can try and enjoy. My total bill was 47 Hong Kong dollars or around 358 pesos. By the way, the shop does not accept cash, only e-payments like Octopus Card, credit cards, and the like. Pro tip, Chung Hing Ki opens at 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. or until supplies last. So be sure to go there early to avoid the long lines. Definitely worth every sip and bite. So that's it for now. Follow for more travel tips.